Hello to all you lovely people. You're watching cryptoTV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, leading you into the magical world of metaverse, Web3, and digital currencies. And here are the headlines. India includes crypto businesses in new rules for cybersecurity. Terra launches floating rate loans. Reserves climb to $209 million. Privacy startup NIM gets commitments for $300 million developer fund. Political cartoon shared by Elon Musk being sold as an NFT. Cryptocurrencies rise mirroring US stocks. Bitcoin trades above $38,800. Crypto.com slashes card rewards. CRO tokens drop 14% as community reacts. DeFi lenders lose $80 million to hackers, offers $10 million as bounty. Now what are we waiting for? Let's get straight to the stories. India has named the country's Computer Emergency Response Team, CERT, as National Agency for Cybersecurity, including for the crypto industry. The move requires crypto businesses such as virtual asset service providers to keep Know Your Customer information and records of financial transactions for 5 years. Crypto service providers will have to ensure data protection, fundamental rights, and economic freedom in the area of payments. Similarly, crypto exchanges working in India will most likely be required to keep retail customers' names, ownership patterns, contact details, and verified data in alignment to the guidelines of Reserve Bank of India, Securities and Exchange Board of India, and Department of Telecom. Crypto exchanges and VPN services suppliers are additionally required to document any cyber incident within 6 hours of its incidence and need to submit the collected data to the authorities upon uncovering frauds. Terra has launched its long-awaited floating interest application through the Anchor platform. Lending and loan services are among the most popular solutions in the DeFi industry. The first advantage of floating interest is that lenders can lock in their funds at an above-average rate when the contract expires. Cryptocurrency traders and investors can quickly invest in the assets they want with this method, while lenders can earn stable profits by providing funds. Profits are determined by the application of interest, which can be both stable and variable. With the new solution, contract reserves reached $209 million and interest rate currently sits at 18%. The Switzerland-based NIM Technologies, a privacy startup that masks online activity from surveillance, has announced a new $300 million fund to attract developers to its ecosystem, reports said. The NIM Innovation Fund has received commitments for $300 million from a range of venture capital investors, including Polychain, Greenfield One, Huobi Incubator, Andreessen Horowitz, among others. According to NIM's CEO, Harry Halpin, grants under the program will range from roughly $50,000 to a few $1 million. NIM is a decentralized mixing network and uses blockchain technology to shuffle metadata packets generated by all internet transactions, including cryptocurrency trades, helping to protect the individual's identity. NIM's platform can also be used by messaging apps to scramble packets connected to communications. Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently tweeted a cartoon illustration suggesting that his political stand has shifted towards the right over the years. Now, the creator of the political cartoon, Colin Wright, is selling his sketch as a non-fungible token and has opened bidding on the OpenSea digital marketplace. Wright is a contributing editor for the online culture commentary site Quillette. Musk has caused an online stir last week after he tweeted Wright's cartoon. Cryptocurrencies rose on Monday amid higher risk appetite, tracking higher opening of the US stocks amid value buying. after they were judged to have been oversold given their earning potential. Bitcoin topped $39,000 in intraday trades. The broader market S&P 500 gained 0.2% after the index posted its worst day since 2020 on April 29th. Nasdaq Composite Index jumped nearly 0.5% after the measure posted its worst month since 2008 on Friday. Investors, however, remained circumspect ahead of the Federal Reserve's two-day meeting outcome due on Wednesday. The central bank is widely expected to hike its key lending rate by 50 basis points, given the recent commentary from officials and the fact that inflation is well above target and unemployment is just 3.6%. Bitcoin was recently trading at over $38,800, up over 2.5% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was trading at around $2,800, up over 2.5% in a similar time span. Other major altcoins traded mixed, with Solana trading lower after reporting a 7-hour outage on Saturday, while Terra's native coin, Luna, traded higher by nearly 5%. In a blog post on Sunday, Crypto.com said it would reduce rewards on the usage of its Visa-enabled cards based on the tiers offered. Lower tiers such as Midnight Blue and Ruby Steel would get 0%. Royal Indigo and Jade Green would get 0.5%. Icy White and Frosted Rose Gold would get 1%, while Osbidian, the highest tier, would get just 2%. Revisions to Crypto.com's card and staking rewards sent token prices tumbling as much as 11% as the community expressed dismay over the changes that go into effect after June 1st. Monthly rewards on the lower tiers would be capped from $25 to $50, while there would be no rewards cap on the higher tiers, the company said. Meanwhile, other benefits on the cards such as the cashbacks on subscription services and complimentary airport lounge access would continue. Decentralized finance platform Rari Capital and Fei Protocol said they suffered a $80 million hack over the weekend, 5 months after their merger. The hacker on Saturday exploited a re-entrancy vulnerability in Rari's Fuse lending protocol, which allows hackers to use a function and make external calls to another untrusted contract, which makes a callback to the original function in an attempt to drain funds. Rari developer Jack Longarzo revealed a total of 6 vulnerable pools that have been temporarily paused while an internal fix is underway. The attacker has sent over $15 million worth of Ethereum to Tornado Cash Mixer and still holds almost $65 million worth of stolen Ethereum in its wallet. Fei Protocol, which merged last December with Rari, offered to let the attacker keep $10 million of the stolen funds as a bounty if the remaining funds were returned. As of now, the hacker hasn't responded to the bounty request. Well, that was a bulletin of this hour. Keep watching cryptoTV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee signing off.